So today we're not doing an intro, we're just going to jump right into it, trying something different. So this is a wig that I received from a company by the name of Ruiyu. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Really nice wig. I've been wearing it. As you can see, I've been loving this wig. There's 3 combs in the front, 1 in the back, adjustable straps, plenty of parting space. This beautiful wig is amazing. So I decided I wanted to add a little bit of color. It's a beautiful wavy texture. Of course, I have it linked down below. You guys can see I've added an elastic band. I've literally been wearing the heck out of this wig because it is perfect. It is literally like my favorite wig at the moment. So I went ahead and put it on the mannequin head so you guys can see what it looked like. I'm going to be dyeing it this beautiful red color. I got this from Garnier Nutrice at Target. I believe they were like $7-8 a bottle. I always do about 3 bottles, never less, because I'm very generous in making sure that the hair is saturated. So I'm just going through the steps of adding A to B, shake it up. You know how that goes. I'll have these linked down below, but I got 3 boxes of the R3. R3 is the color. I was really hoping it would come out this beautiful, vibrant color, but as you see in the intro, it was not as vibrant as I wanted, so I probably should have went ahead and bleached the hair just lightly before I did this in order to get more of the color on the box, I guess I should say. So whenever you're bleaching hair, first step, make sure the hair is detangled, especially if you've been wearing the wig. That way that you can get through and get the product through evenly. If the hair is tangled, it will not work. Since I've been wearing this hair, I went ahead and brushed it out as much as possible. Now I'm going to start adding the product. Because I know I have 3 bottles, I just went ahead and added it very, very generously. I did not really have any issues with getting the product through. As you can see, once you shake the hair up and it kind of processes in the bottle, it does turn this really crazy, vibrant, salmon, pinky, reddy color. And yeah, when I have a lot of hair, like a wig like this, I try to use the brush to kind of paint the color on, but you still will have to use a brush to brush it through, flip it to the opposite side. But as you can see, you have to brush it through. You have to use a comb or a brush to really get it through. The only way around this is if you're going to go ahead and do really small sections, like if you hang it on a mannequin head and go through section by section, which is probably the most accurate way to apply hair. But because I knew this color wasn't going to be extremely vibrant, I was okay with laying it on a countertop. The black thing below is a plastic bag that I cut open, which is just the easy way of getting it done, honestly. And yeah, I left the color on for about an hour. The hair itself, I went ahead and rinsed it out. I went ahead and used the products they provided to go ahead and rinse it out, add the conditioner, all that great stuff. The hair maintained its beautiful curl pattern. I also went ahead and left the dye on for about an hour. It told me 25 minutes, but because this is a darker red color and I really wanted it to bleach through, I did leave it on a lot longer. As you can see, I left the roots dark. I could have taken it into the root because the hair, like I said before, did not come out as vibrant as I wanted it to, but I've just been, trying different things with these box dyes to see which ones work and which doesn't. And this is the product. As you can see, this wig is beautiful. I love the way it looks in a ponytail or a bun. It is literally the perfect glueless lace wig because you don't have to do much of anything. Here I'm just playing with it. I did a few little twisties in the front and I love it. It's a nice subtle red. I did rinse it out pretty good, but I guess I needed to rinse it out a little bit more because the color is bleeding a little bit when it gets wet. So the knots were bleached on this wig beforehand, but because I went ahead and dyed it, you guys seen that the color bled through the root, or on the lace actually. So I'm just taking my mineralized skip finish in the color dark and that going ahead and redefining that parting. I just love this wig. It's just literally the perfect wig because it fits my head like a glove. I'm able to put in a ponytail, a bun, and it doesn't give me any problems. The curl pattern is amazing. The only thing is because like I said, the color is bleeding because I need to go back and rinse the dye out a little bit more. I did not want to wet the hair, so I just went ahead and added my wet product, but I did not saturate the hair with water. Again, this product is called Wet. That is the actual name. I might get it from Sally's, but I'll have it linked in the description bar. As far as the hair goes, this is 20-inch deep wave hair. It is a 360 lace wig, which is why it lays so amazing in a bun and a ponytail. It's amazing because it's glueless. I did have to add an elastic band to make it, you know, hug my hairline amazingly, but it is so pretty. Very, very, very effortless hair. I like to add some shine at the end. So that's my Care Silk and Sheen Holy Grail product. And you're going to see the hair is going to lay super duper flat. All the information is in the description bar. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I'll see you in the next one. Wig sale coming. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, all of that.